Morning from Bangkok now. We are go to Amphawa market.
That's the floating market in Amphawa.
And now we just take the taxi. We book on
Bolt app.
How much?
Well, it says 850 baht for 1.5 hours. So you can get to Amphawa cheaper if you want. You can get the bus. But this is taking us from our hotel to our next hotel with no messing about with buses or taxis in between. So it's probably, as long as you're traveling in 2 people, it's probably about the same price, to be honest.
Today in Bangkok is cloudy and we leave Bangkok now.
I think it's going to rain here, don't you? We went for a small swim earlier, didn't we? Just to have 10 minutes in the hotel pool, which was nice.
After 1.5 hours, now we arrive. This is hotel we book in Agoda and so exciting. Let's go check out together. Very beautiful.
Coconut for us.
Yes, this is service.
Thank you very much. For the cup.
This hotel is have 7 rooms and in front the room is have swimming pool, right? It is so nice. Welcome to the hotel we stay tonight. This is we have got in this hotel is TV and a fish.
Free minibar, they said.
Yes, it's free.
So what have we got? We've got some cans, some water.
Yes.
Sushi flavored crisps. That's a nice touch, yeah?
Yes.
All right, what else have we got?
And we have the bed here. It's very nice. And sofa, table, and coconut. It's free. People are welcome for you to come here. And this is for the wardrobe. And this is the bath.
I'll just go in here.
Very cute is that?
It's got a nice sink, toilet, and then behind the false wall, there's a shower here. Can't really see too much because there's no light.
Yeah.
Nice, happy, yeah?
Yeah, we have to stay here in 2 nights. And we want to tell you if you want to come to Amphawa. This hotel we stay, we pay money per night, 3,300 baht. Happy love?
So far, yeah. I mean, it's a little bit more expensive than what I expected. But they've given us coconut to drink and they've given us some lovely flavoured water to drink and they've told us the snack bar is free. It's got a swimming pool. And the most important thing is it's about a 1-minute walk away from the floating market. That's why I booked it.
First time for you and first time
yeah,
for me
first
here.
time, yeah.
When you come here, it's have food for you order. They are have prawns and pad thai.
How much is the pad thai?
People sell pad thai, pig pao is 100 baht.
Oh, it's not too bad.
Stir fry sausages is 70 baht.
I love the way you say sausages.
What you call? Hot dog?
No, we say sausage. You say sausage.
Sausages.
I love the way you say sausage.
Not expensive and have Wi-Fi. Market tomorrow, not today, yeah?
Tomorrow morning, yeah. It's only on the weekend is the floating market. So we just got here half a day early to relax.
2 o'clock we need the food because we don't have runs and lady in the hotel check we go to restaurant or the shop. The road is next to her hotel. Around here is the house for people. It's very nice and you can hear the birds singing. It's beautiful, isn't it?
ทางเข้าคือบ้านคลองโบราณนะคะมันเป็นทางเข้ารีสอร์ทนะคะถ้าจะไปร้านอาหารนะคะก็คือมองทางธนาคารออมสินไว้นะคะก็คือเป็นร้านเจ้าสำราญนะคะบรรยากาศดีอาหารอร่อยค่ะ
ขอบคุณมากค่ะ
ขอบคุณมากครับ
ค่ะขอบคุณ
See you
ค่ะ
later.
It's lovely. You can see the river.
We're here a day early, so you can see tomorrow. I imagine this is all going to be market sellers selling food stores.
We're so lucky to come today because you can see a quiet. Take you walk around here first. Today is not hot here because it don't have sun.
Quite humid though, don't you think?
Oh, she cut the hair.
Wants to be on YouTube, she could be famous.
People live here in the shops. Oh, this is หมูปิ้ง barbecue, frog and sticky rice. 10 baht, 5 baht. Oh wow, look, this shop is very nice. This is coconut. Yes, I can see them sell seafood on the boat. Some shop is open.
Here's where you get the boat trips from. It looks as though it's 60 baht a seat, or you can hire the whole boat for 600 baht. There's 3 tours during the day, and there's one at night, which I've been told is very good, which is the Firefly tour. So we'll try and do one daytime and one nighttime tomorrow. But now I've seen the boat, we don't need a private boat, do we?
when you come to Amphawa Monday to Friday, you can see the market like this. Some shop is closed, but some shop is open. It's very nice to come because it's not too busy and a lot of food.
What are these, Rose? Little crabs, are they?
Yes, looks so good.
So this is a miniature crab, is it?
Yes,
In chili.
sweet.
Sweet crab.
Oh wow, yes, good. Like snack.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's only 50 baht for a box. If you want a box, you can have a box. Rose, is there a McDonald's nearby?
No, don't have here. Only local food and seafood here.
A lot of seafood, isn't there? Obviously being next to the river. A lot of river food, a lot of seafood.
Yes, pretty nice. I
And
like
for
that.
those that don't watch the channel regularly, I'm not big with seafood or fish. So I'm going to be looking for cheeseburger.
Come to Thailand and eat cheeseburger.
I'm joking, I'll get a pad thai. I'll eat two, that's okay. This is pomelo. I didn't realise it looked like this. Is it going to taste like prawn or crab or squid?
Good. Sour.
Nope. Beautiful. Want some?
No, you can eat. I love pink one. It look good. Look at that. I prefer this color. It's nice.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We'll take it 81.
Because pink is sweet.
ครับ
ขอบคุณมากค่ะ
ตาลสดนะจ๊ะแก้วละ20 กันเลยค่ะ
รีคออะไรนะ
Coconut flower juice.
ค่ะ
I can speak Thai and I can read the sign. I'm going to try a lime ice cream. 30 baht, so less than £1 for an ice cream. What's good with it?
มันก็อร่อยทุกรสกะทิไหม
Yeah, okay, one coconut, one lime. Yeah. What's that? How much is that, Rose? That's
10 บาท yeah
อันนี้ราดอะไรไหมคะ
you want something on top
Oh my gosh, she's charging me the full. I'll get the full 30. What is that? Sauce? No. Popcorn my cup.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Oh, wow, look at that.
ไข่ทองค่ะ
On a humid day, that's delicious.
มันคืออะไรคะ
เมี่ยงคำค่ะ
เขากินกับพริกใช่ไหมคะ
ใช่ค่ะหรือทานเปล่าๆไม่ทานพริกก็ได้ ข้างในจะมีเครื่องอยู่แล้ว
This is เมี่ยงคำ inside it have something
What's the taste inside?
sweet have coconut inside spicy little bit but it's good ขอบคุณมากค่ะ
Top cup. Okay, bye. I'm just going to eat my ice cream. Staying cool. Find out where all the workers for the market park their motorbikes. Look at that. It's in the doorway.
When you come here, you can sit like this, and the view is the boat and the river. It's very nice.
Well, this is a bit different to Cardiff, isn't it? Decided what you want to eat, dear? Are you gonna eat one of those little fish there?
No, I don't know what I eat.
Well, you ordered it for me. I'm hoping it's pork with chili. No, pork with basil. No, pork with
Garlic.
Yeah.
We call หมูทอดกระเทียม Come with a fish sauce. Looks so good. Good.
Coming out. Okay, Pudsey, coming out. Coming out, Pudsey.
On Friday evening is not quiet. A lot of people come here, quite busy. And I think at the weekend is a lot of people come.
ท่องเจ้าดูเรื่องรำลาวันอาจที่ยังชีวิตเจ้ายังต้องมี
ว้าวกุ้งขายยังไงคะ
มี200กับ300พี่
อ๋อ
Walk past and there's a load of shoes outside and it looks like there's really great aircon in here.
We just hide the horse outside and we come to this restaurant. It's very nice table and very nice for seat. And when we come inside, you can see the lady. She have a costume, yeah.
Traditional Thai dress, I think.
Yes, it looks very nice. And you can see around here, the aircon is so good.
And now she's waiting for your order.
Yes, lovely please.
Lychee juice them gao cup. Iced lychee.
ลิ้นจี่เย็นใช่ค่ะ
Bye bye. And this boat, not that boat. Here, okay. We're on the Firefly boat tour. We've taken the advice from another YouTuber we watched and we're sitting at the front of the boat. So now we just got to wait for the other people to come. It's 60 baht per seat. So we paid 120. But what was to hire the whole boat? How much was that?
Private is 600 baht.
600, all right.
But when you walk around here, on afternoon we walk, some people say 400, 300, something like that. First, you must do, you have to walk first. When people say 400, 500, something like that, it's cheap more than this.
You probably have to just talk them down and price a little bit. Well, we didn't, did we? Because you're the negotiator. You didn't ask for a discount.
Yeah, because we go with people.
Yeah.
When you go with people, it's just 60 baht.
Oh, okay.
But private, you can say 400 or 500, something like that. Restaurant is expensive now.
We've got the boat full now, so we're going to go on the Firefly night tour, and I think it's perfect. It's just got dark.
Are you ready? You can see people now is full.
If you look really closely, you can see the fireflies just in the middle.
Did you see? Not enough. That one top there. Not too much, but half.
If I was putting on a boat tour for fireflies, I would definitely put some Christmas lights and trees just to guarantee customer satisfaction.
Them say you have to come in rain season, not this time. Him just tell me now. Why him not tell me before I buy the ticket? It's good idea I not buy private boat 600 baht to come for see something like this. It's better guy if you want to come, you just come rain season, not this times.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณมากค่ะ What you think about that, Dave?
It was very dark. Like when we went to go dolphin watching, there were less fireflies than the poster had. But I think it was enjoyable. It was quite romantic. My bum hurts. I can't feel my bum at all now. It's been sat on a small cooped up boat for an hour. Yeah, it's nice. What did you think? Good?
Yes, it's really good.
Alright, let's go get some food and back to the hotel. It's rather sweet. 2-story restaurant there with some tables upstairs.
This food for Dave tonight. We come here for 5 หมูปิ้ง How many do you want?
I think maybe 3.
1, 2,
That's a good one. Yeah, I agree.
3 10 baht for one
Yeah.
เหนียวไหมคะ ไม่เอาค่ะ
Is this tuk gai?
No, this is chicken.
Yeah, but what part of the chicken?
No chicken.
Yeah, just one.
อันนี้1ค่ะ
And that looks frightening. That looks like livers.
Yes ตับไก่
Liver.
Thai people like that.
Yeah, but for Lang, not for David. Thank you, Rose. You're hosting my dinner tonight, you?
Yes.
You're a good lady.
I have to pay for ฝรั่ง now.
Yes.
ฝรั่ง is expensive.
That's because I have a big belly to feed. Okay, ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณค่ะMy dinner. Squid. What you call squid? Yeah.
Squid,
Yeah.
my arch nemesis.
Looks so good.
Oh, she's grilling it, right. This is your happy street food face, isn't it?
Yes. I love Thailand because Thailand is everywhere have street food and seafood.
What about the chip shops in Wales? Do you like that? Fish and chips? When you get drunk in Cardiff,
No.
you go get kebab?
Oh. Taste different.
Not good quality, no?
Yes, Thailand is better.
Thai street food is some of the best street food in the world, if
Yeah.
not the best street food in
Yes,
the world.
I think you agree with me, guys.
I do.
แล้วก็ใส่ถุง You want to eat? You want to try? ฝรั่ง like this ขอบคุณค่ะ
Morning. Breakfast from the room. Here's our room. Here's our breakfast. It's been served with coffee. They're bringing me an American-style breakfast. Rose has ordered
Fish
fish. Okay, we've got toast, and look at that,
salad
2 little salads. Oh, with some sort of salad dressing. It was nice. Today we're going to go to the train market, and I think it's going to be busy and very hot. Already it's 9:15 in the morning, and it's pretty hot, isn't it? So I think it's going to be a scorcher today. Let's see how this skin copes with the heat. Wow, look at that.
Oh wow Mexico
Thank you, this looks amazing. Captain Macap.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
And juice. Make sure you get the 3 staff in as well, Rose.
This
Need the
is
camera. You can say hello. Hello.
This is Thai food. Some people is like to eat for breakfast. It's have rice and mackerel, cucumber, bean, long bean, carrots, omelette with the Thai vegetable. And this is sauce for eat with everything here.
Quickly show them mine. American breakfast. So you can see we've got omelette, sausage, rice, bacon, looks like French toast, and some ham.
Thank you very much guys for watching. Next video I want to take you go there and hope to see you again. Love you all. Bye.